first you guys will need some glue. I already put my glue in. So just a little bit more glue in here. Just doesn't want to come out. There you go. So this is coming out already. But yeah, then you guys will need a laundry detergent and Easy Gain. You guys can use Tide, Borax, or baking soda and contact solution. You're gonna mix. You're gonna pour a little bit by a little bit, or else it will get really hard. Start being like this, or you guys could also add some food coloring. Then freaking do yellow. It's optional. You guys really don't need food coloring. Okay. There's some. I might add a little bit more. See? Oh, and you guys did not even see the whole thing, but yeah. Oops. Look at slime already. I'll be right back.
Come in.
Oh gosh. Add more if you guys need to. See, it's so easy to cool. What happened, Toby? You guys see? Okay, so take it over there. Just add some more activator if needed. If you guys add too much, it's to get really sticky. I mean, really hard. This is too sticky, so I feel like I need just a tad more.